It's entertaining.
Okay. A head of lettuce and this beautiful off-brand juice called Bubbly.
I literally sound like I just
Joe.
Baby, you.
Ah!
Wait, we gotta wait for the.
Where's the sound?
This.
Where's the sound?
We need.
What is that? What is that with our
They
arm?
had like a mini stroke while laughing.
Remember when Joe's phone was blue?
Oh my god!
Oh,
You need to screw it back.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Christ.
You're not really fine.
So
you
loud.
just can't get into it because they would know.
R.I.P. Tango, comment down below.
the sound got evicted from the video?
It comes back.
Why is it so loud? God, that face looks like a... That face! That looks like a monkey.
The loser has to drink.
That was the coolest part of the whole video. So loud.
My screams.
I said that was tasty.
Nice.
Jump.
Bruh.
Where did the "that was tasty" even come from?
For my mouth.
What?
Oh, I can't.
What are you hitting?
Hitting an eggplant. What's up?
Whoa,
Okay.
Cameras.
Oh, how did that get 10 likes? Nobody wants to freaking watch that.
Wait, we need to watch cooking breakfast with you.
Oh, yeah.
You suck.
Why can I not snap? Okay, shut up. This is not a snapping tutorial. What is this intro? It's literally it looks like Walgreens to me.
Want some huevos up my bum crack.
Whoa, censored right out!
Whoa.
What is that racism? We're gonna get canceled for that. This kid still to this day cannot make an omelet correctly. She's even fighting in the video.
I can't help it. I wanted to do it on my own. Like a bull.
See?
Whoa! Oh, exposed! Clown.
Jesus Christ.
Eventually.
What?
You gotta end it, Nevada. I wanna end it here.
No.
Joe, you're ending it here.
This is the best part.
No, it's not. What?
Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be in a video and I'm gonna see if I can learn this toy.
Oh my god, my hero!
This is
That was tasty. Come from.
Let's go! Oh, that was tasty!
There's no audio?
Okay.
Oh god.
Watch it on YouTube.
This is disturbing.
Let's go! This is like the best one.
I can't. Well, contain myself. And then the Gatorade, the wheezing.
What is this music?
Let's go!
Oh my god! Why are you guys laughing? It's not funny.
It's so funny. The wheeze. Is this the card in the group?
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Joe just replayed my laugh.